Hello, my name is Vanya, and I am a Public Services Associate here at your Clarksville-Montgomery County Public Library. Today, I want to tell you how to put an item on hold using our website. This easy process is perfect for when you want to make sure you get the item you want, but maybe can't make it to the library for a few days, or if you're unable to browse our collection in person. Once you know the item you want, simply visit our website at www.mcgtn.org/library and enter your item right there on the homepage. You can enter the title, the author, artist, actor, director, and numerous other options that might help you find what you're looking for. Click the magnifying glass on the right, and your results will pop up almost instantly. From there, simply scroll through the results until you find the item you want. Click Place Hold and enter your account information. At this point, if you need a refresher regarding your username and password, give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Click Submit Hold and you're ready to go. Our amazing team gets right to work searching our collection for your item and will have it ready in about 2 days. Hold times may fluctuate depending on the item's popularity and any other patrons who may have the same item on hold before you. To see the status of your hold, click on your account in the upper right of your screen. On a mobile device, it may look like a circle with small squares inside. From here, you can see all of your account activity, create lists of future items, and see what you have searched for in the past. For items on hold, you can see your place in the queue, if your item is being searched for by our staff, or if the item is waiting for you. When an item is ready, we will email and call you to let you know. Once you arrive here to pick up your item, simply come to the circulation desk and let us know. We will grab your item from our hold section and hand it to you. From there, you complete the checkout process and start enjoying your item. We hope you found this helpful and look forward to seeing each of you at your Clarksville-Montgomery County Public Library, where books are just the beginning.